In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Figma. If you work in a multi-page file, adding quick links makes navigation faster for you and anyone reviewing your work. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can set it up in seconds. Start by opening your design. On the left, you'll see the Pages panel. Find the page you want people to jump to the destination and right-click it. From the menu, choose Copy Link to Page. That command puts a unique link to that page on your clipboard. Think of it like bookmarking a spot inside your file so you can direct people straight there. Now move to the place where you want the link to live. Go to your next page, click into the current frame, and decide what will act as the button or label. You can select an existing piece of text, like a small go-to label, or click to add a new text layer. You can also position your cursor near an object you are using as a button so the pasted link appears right where you need it. With your text or object selected, right-click and choose Paste here. Figma will insert the page link. If you paste it into a text layer, the link appears as underlined, showing it's clickable. If you paste it near an object, you'll see a new text layer with the underlined link sitting in that spot. Either way, you now have a visible link that points to your target page. Give it a quick test. Click the underlined link and Figma will take you directly to the page you copied earlier. That's the whole flow. Copy the link from the destination page, paste it where you want people to click, and confirm it routes correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching.